most crucial thing that I've learned working for Nursing Evolutions is flexibility of thought. I also say this to new nurses that come in because we tend to get bogged down in a box, and us being pretty type A, everyone being in the medical field, it really pushes you outside that box, what we do. Being in the home, you're not always given the right supplies, you're not always in the right ideal situation that's more controlled when you are in the hospital and you have that support staff and you have those readily supplies at hand and you don't have to rely on a supply company to deliver things such as oxygen. And these become tensions, and they become the most challenging things on that second part of the question. And being able to kind of have that flexibility in your thinking and not get caught up in necessarily what it ought to be, but what you have to work with, and doing the best you can while still promoting safe practice and all those things. I think it takes a strong mind to get into that, and it's probably the most crucial and challenging thing that I've come up against.
Something that I've learned is very important with this job is good communication with doctors and with other nurses on the team. Since you don't see each other every day, it's really important to write good notes and emails and any other way we communicate, and also with families, because in order to really promote following the plan of care, we have to be on the same page as those families at all time. And so I've seen cases where that didn't happen and where it did, and it's really cool how quickly patients progress and grow when everyone is working together and communicating well.
Yeah, definitely. I'm going to say suctioning is really important, but after that, therapeutic communication with families especially is huge, because you're in their homes all the time, and that's the other side of that is the most challenging, that you're in these people's homes all the time. And it's exciting that the kids get to live at home and they get to have everyday life, but when you're in their everyday life, you really have to work to keep that professionalism and use all of the tricks in your bag that you learned about any sort of communication always.